everyone, I'm about to do a makeup tutorial. So I actually got this wonderful little gift from Too Faced and I absolutely love it. Well, the box is here, I didn't want to lift the whole thing. I got this wonderful gift from Too Faced and I love Too Faced products, so I thought, you know, why not make a makeup video out of it, because I've been planning to do that for a while. So I'm just gonna do the basics first. I'm just gonna prep my skin and, you know, just add the basic concealer and this and that, whatever I do, simple. And then we'll go on to use all the Too Faced products that I got. My mirror is there, so I might look there once or twice. Okay. Then, I guess now we can get to the products. Okay. So, okay, I'm going to show you this thing first. I tried this a long time ago as well. It's their lip injection. It's called a lip injection. It's not actually a lip injection, but it's called a lip injection because when you put it in, it plumps your lips up a lot. I've used this before, but I'm going to put it on again. I'm going to put it in now, so then by the end of the video, it's already like plumped a little and you can like see what it does. Okay, so I've applied it. Now it's going to tingle through the course of this video. Then, there's this beautiful blush. It's called Papa Don't Peach. Very cute. You know, initially I used to always put my blush all the way up here until I found out that you're actually supposed to put them on the apples of your cheek, which is here. But I do like spread it a little bit. Ooh, the lips are tingling. Okay, now let's do the highlighter. So this is the Too Faced highlighter. Okay, firstly I'm in love with the packaging. Okay, this, and I don't have a specific brush that I use for highlighter. Most people use this little thin wafer looking brush, this one, but I don't feel like it gives me enough highlighter. Acha, theek hai, let's try it. Everyone does, there must be something right with it, right? Oh, love this. Oh wow, lips are tingling so much. And I just love highlighter, so I'm gonna do more. I'm obsessed with highlighters, so it's gonna go everywhere. I'm loving this. I tend to go for a more natural look. I don't like it when it's too much. I also don't like to powder my makeup too much. Just look at how it's catching the light from literally every single angle. Love it. So now there's this stunning eyeshadow palette called Pretty Rich that they sent me. Oh wow. Okay, to be honest, I already used this because I was too excited. So you can see I've already used these ones actually. But I'm going to use different colors. Last time I used darker colors. So I'm going to go for a lighter one this time because I want to do like a day glowy look, even though I'm shooting this at night. I'm talking nonsense. Okay. So I like using thicker brushes. Because like I said earlier, I don't know if I said, I'm quite an impatient person, so I like getting through my stuff quickly and efficiently. So I'm going to take the tone Fancy That, which is this tone right here. Dust it. Now I'm going to add in the slightly darker parts. So, should I? Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go with, oh, That's Rich. That's the shade name. Okay. Look how nicely this color is coming on. So I'm gonna take this brush. I hope it's clean. See, it's not. I'm a mess. Now, time for the fun part. Let's add on the glitter. So I'm going to use this beautiful color called Princess Cut right here. It's a pinky. I'm a big fan of pinky colors, you know. I used to love pink, and then, you know, everyone's like, ooh, pink is so basic, blah blah blah. So then I stopped. I got fully off of pink. I was like, I don't like pink then. But then I really do love pink. So I was like, Now I use and wear a lot of pink. It's a very pretty color. Okay. Oh wow. Look at how beautifully that's come on. So I'm gonna go back into the brown. Oh, that's rich. I'm making funny faces while I'm doing this. I think I am. I think that's really pretty, guys. Okay. And now, because why not, I'm going to take some of the same color. Oh, that's rich. And I'm going to go right below my waterline. Immediate drama. Instant drama. Immediate drama. Oh, my nails are okay. Sometimes my nails look very bad. I tend to like bite them. See, I've bitten like this random nail here. I've bitten. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Very, very pretty. Let me also take a look. I think it's good. Okay. Then I want to now put some mascara on. So, where is my box? So what did I do with it? This is here. Where did the mascara go? What have I done? What? Where is it? Where is it? Where have I kept the mascara? I put it into my brushes compartment. God knows why. Silly me. Okay. Found it nonetheless. So this is Too Faced's very famous mascara that is called Better Than Sex. Let me do this because this is what all the makeup gurus do on YouTube. I think it's you see how my lips have plumped up, by the way. Crazy. Should I do my look? Oh my god, look. It looks like I've worn fake lashes. I haven't, I swear. These are my real lashes. Okay. Well, obviously, you know they're my real lashes. You would have seen it earlier. Should I do my bottom lashes? Why not? Glamming up the look anyway. I think that's it. I think I'm done. Let's put on some pretty earrings. Because why not? It'll complete the look. I'm a big fan of accessories. Okay. And guys, that concludes my first makeup tutorial video thing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm no expert at this either, but I enjoy doing it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh wait, how could I forget? Highlighter on the collarbones is a must, so let's do that as well. How could I forget? Watch. Just watch how good this highlighter is. So you can see the difference between the two already. I just want to drown myself in this highlighter more. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Okay. So, there we go. Let's do one up, one down. Okay. So, there we go. This is my final look for my first makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys like this look. And I hope you guys try this look also. So if you try this, actually tag me so I can see it. Okay, cool. Bye guys.